Welcome students. Today we are going to see part 2 of practice set 31, that is 7th chapter joint bar graph. Let us see 3 sums we already done. Now let us move to the 4th sum. The maximum and minimum temperatures of 5 Indian cities are given below. Draw joint bar graph for this data. These are the 5 cities: Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur, Kapurthala. Their maximum and minimum temperatures are given. We have to draw the joint bar graph. Here already I have drawn the axis. You have to draw the bar graph. This axis, x-axis horizontal one, vertical one, y-axis, intersection origin 0. Now before that, select the scale. On y-axis, how much you are taking. 1 centimeter equals to how much? See, the maximum number we'll see over here is, I think it is 41 only, and minimum number it is 25. So you can take the scale as 10 also will do. So 1 centimeter equals to 10 degrees Celsius, because this is the temperature. So this is 10 means it is temperature. So 1 centimeter means one box we are taking as 10. So above box also you have to go on adding 10 only. So 10, 20, 30, maximum is 41 only, no? So you can take till 50. 40, 50 you want, you can take 2 extra, no need. We want 41 only last is. So the first one is Delhi. Here maximum will show by shaded, unshaded will show by minimum. This one is maximum temperature, this one is minimum temperature. So let's draw the first city. Cities will show on x-axis. The first city after one box we will leave. The first city is Delhi. Delhi, the maximum temperature is 35. So 30, above 30 you have to go 5 boxes up. So exactly here 35. In half part will show maximum, that is 35 by shaded, and minimum temperature is 26. So 20, above 20 you have to go 6 box up. So here will be the 26. So this one is your minimum temperature of Delhi. Now come to the next city is Mumbai. Leave one box, will show off Mumbai now. The maximum temperature is 32. So above 32 boxes. This one will be 32. This is maximum, so shaded. Minimum temperature is 25. So above 20 this 5 boxes. So here this one is your minimum temperature, Mumbai. The next temperature is of city Kolkata. Kolkata maximum is 37. So above 30 you have to go 7 boxes up. 5, 6, 7. This is 5, 6, 7. 2 boxes up. This one is your maximum temperature. Minimum is 26. So about 26 lines. So this one is your minimum temperature. Then come to the next city is Nagpur. Nagpur it is 41. So above 41 box up. This box we are showing, so 40 is this. Above 41 box. This is your maximum temperature. You shade it. Minimum temperature is 29. So about 29 lines. So this one will be 29. This is minimum temperature. Last city is Kapurthala. Its maximum is 37. So about 37, 7 lines up. 35, 36, 37. This one is maximum and minimum is 26. 26 we already shown here. This is 26. So these are the temperatures, these are the cities. So we'll write here heading cities, and these are the temperatures. So we can write here temperatures. So this is the 4th sum. Now let's move to the 5th sum. This is your fifth sum. The number of children vaccinated in one day at the government hospitals in Solapur and Pune are given in the table. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. This is the vaccines given in that hospital cities. DPT 65 in Solapur, Pune 89, polio 60, Pune 87, measles 65, Pune it is 88, hepatitis Solapur it is 63 and Pune it is 86. So let's draw the bar graph, joint bar graph. For that, axes are already drawn. X-axis, Y-axis. The first vaccine is DPT, and the cities will be shown on the Y-axis. So scale on Y-axis, 1 centimeter equals to, here again the maximum number is 89 and minimum number is 63. So you can take 10 only. So 10 cities, because vaccines we have to show on the X-axis. So 1 centimeter equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, maximum is, say it is 90, we have to show, then 89 it is 60, 70, 80, 90, can show extra also if you want, 100. The first vaccine is DPT booster. Solapur, one city is, this one is Solapur, will show by dark shading, and the unshaded will show Pune. So DPT Solapur it is 65. So above 65 lines, this will be 65. So this one is city of Solapur. Pune it is 89. So above 89 lines, this one will be 89. So this one is Pune. How many are there? 89. Polio booster. Solapur it is 60. So here it is 60. So this one is 60. Shaded. Solapur we have shown in shaded part. Pune it is 87. So above 87 lines, 5, 6, 7 lines. 5, 6, 7. So this one is city of Pune. Next one is measles. Measles 65 in Solapur. 60 above 65 lines. This one is Solapur, so we have shading. We are shading. Then 88. Pune it is 88. So above 88 lines. This one is 80, 85, 86, 87, 88. And the last one is hepatitis. Leave one box. This one will be of hepatitis. 63. About 63 lines. 63. This one is of Pune. Sorry, Solapur. Last one is Pune. It is 86. So above 86 lines. This one is 85, 86. So here we have done. Just these are the vaccines which we have shown on. Give the heading vaccines, and these are the cities, Pune and Solapur. So this we have done with the fifth sum. Now let's move to the sixth one. Students, let's see our sixth sum. The percentage of literate people in the states of Maharashtra and Gujarat are given below. Draw a joint bar graph for this data. These are the years 1971, 1981, 1991, 2001, 2011. These are the states. Years we will show on y-axis, and this state we will show on x-axis. So they have given the data. The maximum number is 83 and minimum number I think so it is 40. So we can take the scale as same. 1 centimeter equal to 10. These are the states. So scale 1 centimeter equals to 10. These are the states. And 10 years is what they 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We have shown till 100. The first year is 1971. In that Maharashtra, how many? Maharashtra state, how many are there? Sorry, these are the people, 10 peoples. So 1971, how many people in Maharashtra state? 46. So 45 and 1 6. So this one is 46. This shaded one is Maharashtra state. And unshaded one is the Gujarat. In that Gujarat is 40. So this one is 40. Gujarat state. So this one is shaded one is Maharashtra state in the year 1971, and the unshaded one is Gujarat. Now year 1981, 57 in Maharashtra. So above 57 lines. This one is Maharashtra. Then 45. So here it is exactly fifth line above 40, that is 45. This is Gujarat state. Now 1991, 65 in Maharashtra. So above 65 lines. Now 61 in Gujarat, above 61 line. So this one is 61. This one is Maharashtra, so shade it. Now 2001, it is 77 in Maharashtra. So above 70 you have to show 7 lines. 5, 6, 7. This is Maharashtra. 69 in Gujarat, so above 69 lines. So this will be here. Gujarat state. The next is 2011, 83 in Maharashtra. So above 80, this is 80, above 80, this 3 lines. So till here. 79. So here. This one is Maharashtra, so shade it. So these are the years. These are number of people. Equal in states. So here we have completed our 7th chapter successfully. Joint bar graph. Practice in your graph book all these sums and keep it ready. In the next part we will see next chapter, that is lesson number 8.